Hello, students. Welcome to all of you. I hope you all are doing good. Students, today I'm going to start chapter number 6. Okay, name of the chapter is decimal and the exercise is 6A. So let us start this video. But before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon too. And do comment in the comment section after doing these questions. Okay, now let us start exercise 6A, question number 1. And question 1 says write in words. Write in words. So part A, 0.5. We will read it 0.5. Okay, so write 0.5. Next, C, 0.68. So you will write 0.68. Okay, if you will write 0.68, so 68 is wrong. Okay, after the decimal, after the point, we have to read the number separately. This is 0.68. This is not 0.68. Fine. E part, 0.0018. So you will write 0.0018. Okay, now G part says 64.45. So you write 64.45. Okay, so do all parts of question 1. You have to do all the parts. Okay, next, question 2. Question 2 says write each fraction as a decimal. Okay, part A, 8 upon 10. So what we have to do, how many zeros are there in the denominator? There is only one zero. Okay, only one zero is there. So if there is only one zero, so you have to put decimal from right hand side after one digit in the denominator. So 8 and write 0 here. So your answer will be 0.8. Okay, now B, as you can see here in B, it is 79 upon 100. So you will write, since there are 2 1 2, okay, 20, so you will write decimal after two numbers from right hand side. Okay, so 1 2, so you will put decimal here. So I will write 7 9 and decimal and 0 before the decimal. Okay, so answer is going to be 0.79. C, 6 upon 100. Now there are two zeros, 1 2. So what you will do, you will place decimal after two numbers, but there is only one number, so you have to use extra 0. Okay, so you will write 6 0 and then decimal and 0 here. So you will read it 0.06. Okay, 0.06. Let me do the next one. Part E, 8 upon 1000. So three zeros are there, so you will have to put decimal after three numbers from right hand side. So only one number is there, so put two zeros on your own. So 800, then point, then 0. Okay, so you will read it 0.008. Okay, 0.008. Next, G, 2 upon 10,000. So how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 0. So you will write 2 and 3 0. 1 2 3 and then decimal and then 10, because after the decimal there should be 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. Okay, because 4 zeros are there in the denominator, that is why after the decimal 4 numbers should be there. As you can see here, there are 3 zeros, so after decimal 1 2 3 numbers. Here are 2 zeros, so after decimal 1 2 numbers. Here are 2 zero, after decimal 1 2 numbers. Okay, here is only 1 0, so after decimal only one number is there. So in this way you are going to do this. Okay, now part I. It says 18 whole 9 upon 100. So you will write 18 plus 9 upon 100. Then you will write it 18 plus how many 0? 1 2. So you will write it 90.0. Okay, so because there are 2 0, that is why you will put decimal after two numbers from right hand side. So now add it, so it will be 18.09. Okay, 18.09, this is the answer. Okay, now K, 1008.72 upon 1000. So it will be 1008 plus how many 0? 1 2 3. So you will write 0.072. Okay, and now add them, 1008.072. This is the answer. Okay, so you have to do all the explained question in the video in your copy, the questions which I have explained. Now question number 3, it says write the numbers in figure. Okay, so part A is 4.7. 4.7, so you will write 4.7. This is the answer. B, 49.37. 49.37. Okay, now see, 0.042. 0.042. Okay, and then D part is 312. 312.075. So these are the answers. Fine, I hope it is it's easy to understand. Now question number 4 says we write rupees 17 and 65 paisa as rupees 17 and 65 paisa, means rupees 17 and 65 paisa should be written rupees 17.65 paisa, means paisa should be written after the decimal. How will you write the following decimal hundreds? Okay, so in part A, rupees 7, so rupees 7 and 82 paisa means 0.82. Okay, so this is rupees 7.82. In B part you will write rupees 92, rupees 92 and 25 paisa only, and 25 paisa. Okay, part C, rupees 187, rupees 187 and 60 paise, 60 paise. Okay, in the same way you will do part D on your own. Now question 6, it says the magnifying glass shows the part of the ruler between 8.2 to 8.7. The first arrow points 8.34. Which number do the other arrows point to? Okay, so you will do this question on your own, but I'm just giving you the hint. In this question, there is a magnifying glass which is showing the part of the ruler between 8.2 to 8.7. Means how many numbers are there in between? 8.3 is there, 8.4 is there, 8.5 is there, 8.6 is there, 8.6, and then 8.7 is there. Okay, so the question is saying the first arrow points to 8.34. First arrow points to 8.34. So 8.34 will be between these two. Okay, so which numbers do the other arrows point to? So this was the hint, and do it on your own. Now question number next says, it is question 7, and it says write the value of the colored digit. One has been done for you, part A. So 12.3, and the colored digit is 5. Okay, so I'm writing 5 with green. So we have to write the value for the green digit, means 5. So you will say, look at this, the place value of this number is ones, this is 100, but this is tenths. Okay, TENTHS, and the place value of this number is hundredths. Not 100, it's hundredths. Okay, so the place value of this 5 is 5 hundredths. Okay, D. Now next question. Question B, 49.54, and 5 is colored. So what is the value of 5 here? So the value of 5 is 5. Since this is tenths, so 5 tenths. Okay, TENTHS. Now question number C says, you can see here, we have to tell the place value of this 5. So this is tenths, this is hundredths, this is thousandth. So you will write 5 thousandths. Okay, then in D you have to tell the place value of this 5. So this is in part D, this is very simple, 259.63, and you have to tell the place value of this. So ones tens, so you will write 5 tens. Okay, 5 tens. So if the number is after the decimal, it will be tenth, and if it is before the decimal, it will be tens. Okay, now E 1 15.038, and you have to tell the place value of this 5. So this is ones. Okay, 5. That's it. And do question number F, part number F on your own. Okay, students. Now question 8 says write the decimal form. Write in decimal form means it is given in expanded form, we have to write in short form. So what you have to do in this question, look at this. The place value of 5 is ones. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundred, this is tenth, this is hundredth, this is thousandth. So you will write 400 plus 20 plus 5 is 405. Sorry, 425. Okay, 425.347. This is the answer. And in B part, 6 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 2 into 1 plus 5 upon 10 plus 7 upon 1000. Okay, so you will write it 6000 plus 400 plus 2 plus 5 upon 10 plus 7 upon 1000. Now this will be 6400. This will be 6000. Okay, 6402. This will be 6402.5 5, and here upon 100 term is missing, so 0 instead of that, and then 7. So your answer is 6402.507, and this is the answer. Okay guys, okay children. Now D, C and D part you will do on your own. C and D you will do. Question number 9 I'm going to explain. Question 9. Write in expanded form means in decimal form. Okay. So question 9, part A, 178.345. So student, what you have to do in this question, you have to write in expanded form. So you will write it 100 plus 70 plus 8, and then plus 3 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000. Okay, so this is the expanded form. Now in part B, okay, so in part B you will write 26.809 is given, so you will write 20 plus 6 plus 8 upon 10, then 0 should not be written, plus 9 upon 1000. Okay, 1000, because 100 term is here, upon 100 term is missing. Now question number 10 says, write in expanded form in fraction form. Okay, actually in question number 9 it was saying write in expanded form in decimal form, so we have to write in decimal form. Okay, so question 9 I am telling you again. Question 9 says write in expanded form in decimal form. So decimal form means a 178.345. It means you have to write, it 100. Okay, 100 plus 70 plus 8 plus 0.3 plus 0.04 plus 0.05. Okay, and in question number B you have to write 26.809 is equal to 20 plus 6 plus 0.8 plus 0.09. This is the answer. Okay, but in question number 10 the question is saying write in expanded form in fractional form. So in fractional form now we will write 35.18. We'll write 30 plus 5 plus 1 upon 10 plus 8 upon 100. Okay, this was part A. In the same way part D, 1306.008. So you will write 1000 plus 300 plus 6 plus 8 upon how many zeros? 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so 3 zeros means 1000. So this is the answer. So students, this exercise is now completed. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.